Apple's iPhones are one of the most sought after smartphones in the market and they carry a hefty price tag. On top of that, you have to pay almost 40% extra for an iPhone in India compared to the US. But why? Hey everyone, this is Dhruval Patel. Welcome to my channel Technocrat Dhruval. Let's get started with the reasons of why Apple products are more expensive in India. Number 1. No local manufacturing and retail. Apple does not have a local manufacturing unit in India. They gave contracts for assembly, not manufacturing of its iPhone 7 and iPhone SE smartphones to Foxconn and Wistron. Since they are assembled here, these devices are relatively cheaper. Components and PCBAs, that is, printed circuit board assemblies for these phones are still imported. Most of iPhone flagships are imported and drives the cost up. Also, as per the Indian Foreign Direct Investment Policy, for a company to set up a manufacturing unit in the country, it has to source 30% of components locally, which is impossible for something like the iPhone. Also, Apple sells its smartphones and other products in India via its vast third-party retail network. Though it has recently introduced its official online store for India, even that it is dependent on third-party vendors for distribution. These vendors, distributors, transport agents and other middlemen take a hefty cut. Number 2. Taxes and custom duty. It was in April this year that Apple hiked the prices of its iPhone 11 series as the Indian government hiked the goods and service tax GST from 12% to 18%. This resulted in a hike of 5% in the prices of iPhones in India. The government also increased the net import duty in the last budget by 2% by withdrawing the exemption on social welfare surcharge which was earlier available on basic customs duty on mobile phones. The government also increased the import duty on PCBA, which is printed circuit board assembly, from 10% to 20% and for chargers from 15% to 20%, which is also carried forward on the retail price. All these taxes levied on the iPhone have to be borne by its customers. Number 3. Brand value and currency. Apple today is a premium tech brand and owning an iPhone is a style statement. Apple does offer a unique ecosystem and security that few can breach, but for Indian buyers, even that seems not enough for what they pay. Apple also keeps considerable profit margin for its smartphones, which many industry experts have said to be somewhere around 500%. Currency depreciation is another major factor why the iPhone is expensive in India and relatively cheaper in countries like Japan and Dubai. The starting variant of the iPhone 12 retails at $699 in the USA, which translates to Rs 51,839 as per current exchange rate. The retail price of the iPhone 12 in India is Rs 69,900, which is Rs 18,620 more than the US price. Despite the above caveats, people will keep buying and upgrading to Apple's latest iPhone because it's more than a smartphone. It's a brand. So, the one question which comes in our mind is, will iPhones ever get cheaper in India? One of the ways that Apple phones can get cheaper in India is if manufacturing starts locally, which as per reports could happen in the coming days as Apple has planned to shift major parts of its Chinese manufacturing units to India. As per a Reuters report, there's been a strong request from Apple to its clients to move part of the iPhone production out of China after the US-China trade wars erupted. Apple's supplier Foxconn is reportedly set to invest $1 billion in India to expand its factory, and Wistron is also pushing for Indian expansion. So yes, the iPhones could get cheaper for Indian customers in the future. So guys, I hope you got the real reasons of why Apple products are expensive in India. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, you can ask in the comments. Like this video and share with everyone. If you want this type of useful videos regularly, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new video. Also follow me on Instagram at technocrat_Dhruval. We'll see you guys in the next useful video. Till then, stay safe and stay motivated. Peace.